Imagine this. Your factory finishes an order. The truck is ready, everything is packed, but one missing logistics document stops the entire shipment. No invoice, no packing list, no bill of lading, no delivery. In real manufacturing, products don't move without the right documents. So how do workers communicate clearly and correctly about these important papers in English? In this lesson, you will learn simple, practical English to talk about logistics documents in your daily factory work, step by step, just like in real life. Let's get started.
Hi, Mai. Good morning.
Good morning, Nam. Are you busy now?
A little. I am checking the shipping documents.
Oh, I also need to learn about those documents.
Sure, I can show you. Today, we prepare a shipment.
Great. What do we need first?
First, we check the purchase order.
Where can I find the purchase order?
It is in the system and also printed here.
I see it. What information is important?
Check the item, quantity, and delivery date.
The quantity is 500 units, right?
Yes, correct. Now we prepare the packing list.
What is a packing list?
It shows all items inside the boxes.
So it is like a checklist?
Yes, exactly. It includes box number, weight, and dimensions.
I understand. Who creates the packing list?
The warehouse staff creates it.
Can I see an example?
Here, look at this packing list.
Oh, I see the gross weight and net weight.
Good. Now we need the invoice.
Is that the same as a bill?
Yes, the commercial invoice shows the value of goods.
Why is it important?
It is used for customs clearance.
Ah, I hear that word before.
Next is the bill of lading.
That sounds difficult.
It is simple. It is a transport document.
Who issues the bill of lading?
The shipping company issues it.
What information is inside?
It includes shipper, consignee, and cargo details.
Okay, I think I understand.
Now let's check the delivery note.
What is the purpose of the delivery note?
It confirms the goods are delivered.
Does the customer sign it?
Yes, they sign after receiving goods.
That is clear.
Now we prepare all documents together.
Should we check them again?
Yes, always double check.
I will check the quantity again.
I will check the invoice value.
Everything looks correct.
Good. Now we print the documents.
How many copies do we need?
Usually 3 copies.
One for us, one for customer, one for shipping?
Yes, correct.
What about customs documents?
Those include the customs declaration.
Who prepares the customs declaration?
The logistics team prepares it.
Do we need to sign it?
Yes, the company must sign and stamp it.
I see the company's stamp here.
Good observation.
What happens if there is a mistake?
We must correct it before shipment.
Can we edit the invoice?
Yes, but we must issue a new one.
That is important to know.
Now we send the documents to the forwarder.
What is a forwarder?
A company that arranges shipping.
That's the end of today's lesson on logistics documents. Now you know how to talk about important documents like the invoice, packing list, and bill of lading in simple English for your daily work. Remember, in a real factory, clear communication means fewer mistakes and faster shipments. Try to review the key vocabulary and practice the conversation again. In the next lesson, we will learn about inventory and how to manage stock in English. See you next time.